Welcome to Dap for Do. Hope you are all doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'll show you how to make colorful umbrella for Ganpati Bappa. This can be made with items easily available at home. So here I am sticking two A4 size papers so that I can make a bigger paper, or else you can use any chart paper. You can make a use of this paper or cardboard, whichever is available. So here I am making 8 parts out of this circle so that we can make an umbrella. Here I will be using only 7 parts, or else you can use any cardboard also. So here I had an octagon shaped cardboard from pizza box, which I am cutting into this flower pattern. So you can follow the same process on a thick card paper. So here I have attached this paper. So I have colorful sheets of paper which I will cut and stick on each petal which I have made except one. So this is the easier method if you are not sure to cut the size of this petal. So likewise I have cut this triangle first and apply glue and stick the paper. The curved part which we can cut later, you can mark like this if you have a darker marker and cut, or else you can turn it over and cut neatly. So you will have a nice finish when you do like this. So I have stuck all the 7 colors and this part would be excess, so which I will cut. And to give the depth for the umbrella, we have to stick one upon the other. And for nice folds, because this is a thick cardboard, I am just giving some creases, or you can use this fold method and make a nice curve and stick this part one above the other with the help of glue. Apply generous amount of PVA glue or hot glue and stick this so that we will have the dome of the umbrella ready. Now is the decoration part. Here I am using a colorful lace which I had with me. On all these 7 corners I will paste this and make sure that the edge is folded inside so that we will have a nice finish to it. Likewise I will complete all of them, and I had a ball here which I have stuck with the same lace and placing on top for the finish. So this is how it looks. And now for the decoration, these are the flat beads and some mirrors which I had with me, which I am sticking in a pattern. You can choose any material which is handily available like kundans, or you can cut color papers and attach that also. Here I am placing the ball chain lace at the edge of this umbrella to make this curvy part elevated. Now at the edges, on the edges I'm just placing these flat pearls and the beads to complete the look. So the decoration part is up to you, how would you like to make it. And now for the hanging part, I'm just attaching a mirror and the flat bead for the ball chain, and I will place it on all the corners. So when the hangings are there, you can enhance the look further. This is the paper roll which I have decorated with the glitter tape. You can just check in my videos of Dandiya how I have made this. And now I will stick this at the center of this. So I am applying generous amount of glue over here, and I'll have to hold this for some time till it is nicely attached to the dome of the umbrella. So this is how our beautiful umbrella is ready. If you want, you can just place small bells also. So this is the top view, and the multicolor, instead of this you can use any Banaras cloth or any single paper also. So you can place bappa like this on the asan and then you can decorate. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Namaste.